As groups protest outside, potential jurors answer questions inside. We have the latest developments in the Jason VanDyke trial. The jury selection process began today in the Jason VanDyke trial. Dozens of potential jurors filled out a questionnaire that could help determine if this case stays in Cook County. NBC5's Christian Farr has details from the Layton Criminal Courts building.
Which side are you on, my brothers? Which side are you on?
The protests have already begun as the jury selection process gets underway in the murder trial of Jason VanDyke, the Chicago police officer charged with the shooting and killing of Laquan McDonald back in 2014.
We came out here so the judge could hear us, right? We came out here to make some noise so they'll know we out here in these streets for real.
Inside the courthouse, about 200 prospective jurors filled out a questionnaire concerning the high-profile trial that has to do with the police-involved shooting that had been captured on police dash cam video.
I would anticipate this going somewhere between 10 days to 2 weeks.
Criminal defense attorney Thomas Glasgow has been keeping a close eye on this controversial case. Glasgow says the questionnaire will help the prosecution and defense figure out who should serve on this jury.
These questionnaires are sealed. He's going to give them back to the attorneys. The attorneys are going to have tomorrow and Friday to go over them and then determine if you can get a fair and impartial jury on Monday.
Glasgow says the questionnaires could also help a possible defense request to move the case out of Cook County because the trial against VanDyke has received so much media attention. Glasgow thinks the case will stay right here in Cook County.
I ultimately think you're going to be able to find enough impartial jurors from the jury pool that don't have an opinion either way about this to keep this here in Cook County. I think it's a real stretch to say that this is going to go outside of Cook County.
Besides the jury questionnaire, the judge also had to deal with witnesses who may not want to appear on camera. That jury selection process will continue this week. At 26 in Cal, Christian Farr, NBC5 News.
Our thanks to Christian.